All right, guys, so this video will teach you how you can get a mortgage loan, a brand new home. Personally, in this economy, you will have to wait until all the home prices crash for you to apply, because right now it's pretty high. But if you're trying to get one anyways, let me tell you how to do it. So all you need is a 620 credit score, okay? If you have at least a 620 credit score, you can literally down pay 3%, okay? 3%. So we have all these lenders right here. So you can pause the video, write it down. So we have New American Funding. We have NBKC Bank. We have Rocket Mortgage, Farmers Bank of Kansas City, First Federal Bank, Veterans United Loans, Home Loans, AmeriSave, PenFed, PNC Bank, Chase, U.S. Bank Mortgage, Navy Federal, of course, if you have Navy Federal, and First Horizon Bank. So I recommend you get the 3%, but Rocket Loan is doing 1%. Okay, so for example, if we'll get into the calculator. So let's say you're trying to get a $4,000 home. The down payment for 3% is $12,000. Okay, and you can pick the loan terms. Most people do the 30 years. Okay, I recommend you do between 15 to 30 years. So you can see right here. So you need at least a 620, guys. Okay, 620. But honestly, I recommend you get at least a 650 to 680 credit score just to be safe. Okay. So if you want the 1%, go to Rocket Mortgage. So if you're trying to get a $1 million house, I know that homes in Cali are expensive. 1%. $10,000. Okay, anyone can get $10,000 saved up. Okay, you can only save that up in like a couple months, a year. You can sell some stuff, but the monthly payment is pretty high. If you make six figures, if you have a wife, if you have a roommate, people living with you, it shouldn't be that hard. But keep in mind, you're gonna have to pay property tax. So if you have about $800,000 to $1 million home, you're gonna pay around basically your down payment. Okay, it's gonna be around your down payment every year. So that's the drawback of owning a home. Me personally, I recommend you just stick with your apartment or getting a rental home to avoid the property tax. So rental homes are really good right now in this economy. If you're trying to get a home, I recommend you wait until the prices go down, because I feel like it's gonna go down, okay? Just wait a little bit. If you're trying to get it now, you can, but I recommend you wait a little longer, okay? Or just find a rental home, rent it out for a year or two, and once all the prices crash down, that's when you get the mortgage loan, okay? And also another trick is, if you're trying to get the down payment money, just get a cash advance through your credit cards, okay? If you have multiple credit cards with 30K, cash out 10K off your credit card, use that for the mortgage, and you can just pay it back later. Yeah, so these are the sites. Rocket Mortgage, 1%, guys, it's pretty good. 3% is really good, okay? If you have bad credit, you're gonna have to put in more. So make sure you get at least a mid 620, but make sure you have no collections, okay? 1 is probably okay, but try to remove your credit before you apply for a home loan. But you can still get approved.